All units, emergency traffic. Shots fired. Officer down.
It's a call no one wants to hear.
All units respond. Code 3.
My number one goal as a police chief is to never lose a police officer in the line of duty. And Brian Nieto was the case that tested that goal. Brian was shot multiple times on a traffic stop. When he was taken to the hospital, he was not expected to survive.
Within minutes of the call, Officer Nieto was transported to Central California's only Level 1 trauma center.
And if not for the efforts of our trauma center and CMC, I would not have been able to, as a police chief, to be able to maintain that goal.
Community Medical Centers provides the highest level and most comprehensive health care in Central California. Known for leading-edge technologies, state-of-the-art facilities, and top physicians, this not-for-profit, locally owned network holds many statewide and national distinctions. The Community Medical Centers network includes Community Regional Medical Center, Fresno Heart and Surgical Hospital, and Clovis Community Medical Center, and partners with the UCSF Fresno Medical Education Program. Community Regional Medical Center is the only true academic regional medical center in the Central California region and measures up with top hospitals nationally. Located on a 58-acre campus in downtown Fresno, the facility is home to one of 5 of the state's only burn and Level 1 trauma centers.
We have specialists, we have the support staff for the specialists, and we have the technology that allows them to do the diagnostic and therapeutic work that's needed to address those healthcare needs.
As in the case of Officer Brian Nieto, having a Level 1 trauma center dedicated to treating the severest injuries at a moment's notice is life insurance for everyone living in Central California.
When you look at the value of having a trauma center and you put it in context, this is the second busiest emergency department in the state of California. LA County is the only busier emergency department in the entire state. So you're talking about a huge geographic region. We take care of people from the mountains. We take care of people that get flown in from the coast because they don't have trauma centers in their area.
Fresno Heart and Surgical Hospital in North Fresno brings advanced cardiovascular and minimally invasive surgery to the region. It has been awarded 5-star ratings in both bypass surgery and treatment of heart attacks and ranks in the highest % in the nation in terms of outstanding patient experience.
Healthgrades is a nationally recognized rating agency that looks at quality outcomes in regards to hospitals and the services they provide. It's a very high benchmark to be awarded the 5-star Best in the Region for cardiac services. We're one of 3 hospitals in California that are rated 5% in the nation for high scores in regards to patient experience.
Sitting at the base of the Sierra foothills, Clovis, a suburb of Fresno, is home to nearly 100,000 people. Clovis Community Medical Center is the preferred choice for those who need minimally invasive surgeries, women's services, sports medicine, and diagnostic procedures. The hospital also boasts the area's premier breast health center and a comprehensive outpatient care facility. The fastest growing city in the state, the population of the Clovis area is expected to increase dramatically over the next decade.
In order to support this growth, we need to expand. We're putting in a new outpatient center. Right where we're sitting today is planned a 5-story bed tower that will house 144 private rooms.
Providing world-class care takes world-class doctors. UCSF Fresno is a program of the University of California, San Francisco School of Medicine. Located on the campus of Community Regional Medical Center, it is one of the top 5 medical schools in the nation.
We have about 30% fewer primary care doctors and 50% fewer specialists than the state of California as a whole. And our mission is to train doctors for California and especially for the Valley.
This highly regarded medical education program trains approximately 200 doctors a year and performs vital medical research. In addition, its fellowship program trains leading-edge specialists. Community Medical Centers provides clinical training sites, financial support, and space for faculty and residents to train. Community Medical Center's mission is to care for all who walk through the doors, regardless of their ability to pay, acting as the safety net for those without health insurance or financial means. This responsibility is compounded by the challenges faced in serving a region that is growing at an accelerated pace and whose population ranks as one of America's poorest.
Fresno County is 6,000 square miles, made up of many different cultures, many different communities, and so many of the people that live in those communities are underinsured and need help. Community Regional Medical Center provides that help.
In its quest to keep pace with Central California's growth, the fastest in the state, Community Medical Centers has grown to a $1 billion per year operation. Community's uncompensated care to the people in this region exceeded $137 million last year, which has given assistance to elderly and disabled programs, the medically underserved, teaching hospital services, and much more. While facilities are closing throughout the state, Community Medical Centers has been in a constant state of expansion. This ongoing reinvestment has allowed Community to be at the forefront of advanced medical technology. Top specialists and physicians welcome the opportunity to practice at Community's top-notch facilities, where advanced equipment helps make healing possible every day. Community introduced the world's first Generation 4 CyberKnife, opening a whole new world in the treatment of cancer throughout the body. The state-of-the-art Neuroscience Center of Excellence is dedicated to brain and spine patients and their rehabilitation after strokes or debilitating accidents. The Valley's only state-of-the-art combined Level 3 neonatal intensive care unit and antepartum high-risk unit gives the most fragile infant the best head start possible in life, handling the highest risk pregnancies, deliveries, and infant intensive care with leading-edge medical expertise and the latest technology. In providing these and other critical services, this world-class hospital network is rated as one of California's best. From minimally invasive outpatient surgeries to trauma services for those needing life-saving care, the hospital's mission is founded in the belief that everyone deserves the best medical care available, and that patients shouldn't have to travel hours away from home to get the latest in medical advancements and treatment. With the help of donor investors who believe and support our mission, Community Medical Centers has been blessed with many rewards. The greatest of these are the people whose lives are changed every day as a result of our exceptional care.
What they did was unbelievable. If it occurred somewhere else, I don't think I'd be here.
They have been able to do something that I was not able to do, and that is to save my officer's life. I really believe that because there are people that have received critical injuries in our city that are taken to this trauma center and miraculously revived. And that is something we're very, very proud of in Fresno.
It was very scary. It was extremely scary and nerve-wracking. My children got the best possible care 24/7. And I'm not sure that if they didn't have that care that I would have 4 children.
If it wasn't for you guys helping out, then I wouldn't be able to do it.
He probably wouldn't be where he's at right now. On his way to recovery.
I want to always emphasize that the building and the equipment, they provided the means, but what saved my life were the people here. The technicians, the nurses, the doctors. They saved my life.
The one place that we know for sure that all of our citizens can go and be treated with respect and be given the quality of care that they deserve is Community Medical Center. And it's been around as long as I've been alive. It's always been something that we've been able to rely on as a community, and it is critically important to the future of this community.
To partner with Community Medical Centers, call Community Medical Foundation at 559-459-2670 or log on to communitymedical.org for more information on how you can get involved and become a donor investor.